What's up, everybody? It's your girl Rogue Angel coming back with another video. Thank you for tuning in to Rogue Chatter. And in this episode, we're going to be talking about knowing your rights. Do you know your rights and all the different things that is given to you and allowed to you by the Constitution of the United States of America, and as you've been an American citizen? And some of the things is, do you know when you are approached by a police unit vehicle to stop doing a routine citation or a routine traffic stop or different things of that nature? Do you know your rights in regards to that? Do you know what you are allowed to do just by the Constitution, what it allows you to do and different things like that? We want to talk about those things. And first, if you are being signaled to pull over by a police officer, if it is nighttime and it is in a dark area and you don't feel comfortable, you don't feel safe, you have the right to continue to move forward till you find a safe location to pull over where it is well lit and where you can engage with that police officer at that point in time. But the thing you must do if you are continuing to drive and until you find a safe location, put your flashers on and drive slowly. Okay, and that way you can get to a safe location or to a public location where you can feel comfortable with this officer pulling you over and speaking with him at that later time. That is your right, okay? Also, you have the right to investigate who's pulling you over. There has been many cases where people have been impersonating law enforcement officers and pulling people over for no apparent reason and different things of that nature. It is your right to contact the police station, the emergency unit, within that headquarters in that county where you are located. Just dial 911 and inform them that it is not an emergency, but you would like to speak with someone in regards to you being pulled over, and you want to make sure that the person that is signaling you to pull over is in fact part of the law enforcement community. That is your right. Okay, so you do not have to stop. As I said before, if you are continuing to drive till you contact someone or you're trying to find a safe location for you to pull over, just make sure that you put on your flashers or your hazard lights and you drive under 25 miles per hour to let them know that you are recognizing that they are trying to pull you over. Okay, so that is your right to do so. And also for your protection, if you did want to record being stopped once you do pull over, that is your right as well to videotape for your own personal safety. So be safe. Also, this is another thing that I want you guys to understand, is that when you are being stopped by law enforcement officials, it is your right to ask, hey, why did you stop me? And normally they would tell you, hey, you had a tail light out, you ran the stop sign, you was going too fast, whatever the situation may be. That is your right to question the reason why you are being stopped. And also, a lot of people don't understand or don't know that it is your right to deny an officer the access to your vehicle, to search your vehicle. You do not, under no circumstances, have to give that officer your authorization to search your vehicle, especially without a warrant. And if they do have justification and just cause to suspect that you are in possession of something illegally, then they will have to get a search warrant to do so, which will take some time, and you will be out there for some time, and sometimes they may just let you go if they just was searching you or racial profiling you and they just want to search your vehicle for whatever reason. 9 times out of 10 they're just going to let you go. They're going to hold you up and ask you a lot of questions, but you do not have to let these officers search your vehicle. You have the right to say, no, I do not want you searching my vehicle. I don't, I'm not sure exactly why you stopped me in the first place. If the cause is unjustified, if you were not speeding, or if you do not have a tail light out and you are insured and so forth, and you're doing everything proper and you have everything intact, you do not have to authorize the police at all to search your vehicle without a warrant. So please keep that in mind. That is your right to say, no, you cannot search my vehicle. Okay, and last but not least, you have the right to refuse to take a drug test on site. It is your right. Now, you may be locked up, but at the same time, it's your right to say no. You don't have to do anything on the side of the road that you do not want to. Also, you do have the right to remain silent. You don't have to say anything that you feel that may incriminate yourself. At no point in time, if they're asking you questions that you feel that is too personal, it's your right to say no. You're not answering those questions, or just stay silent, okay? And also, it is your right to be read your Miranda rights when you are being arrested or stopped by a police officer. They must read your rights, tell you have the right to remain silent. Also, give you the option to have an attorney present during interrogation or questioning. So make sure you're exercising your citizen rights to these particular things, because you have the right to a lot of different things, but people are so unaware of it. And I know a lot of things be going on and everything be happening so fast, so we don't exercise our rights at that particular time. But I want to educate you all on that, on knowing your citizen rights and rights given to you by your Constitution and United States laws. So keep that in mind. Those are a few rights for you when you are dealing with the police and law enforcement officials and different things of that nature. So when you're thinking about these things, keep in mind that you have the rights, okay? Alright, this has been Rogue Angel for Rogue Shadow. Thank you for tuning into this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!